Alrighty guys, today we're going to go over how you would go about connecting a letter together that was, say, going to fall out of a sign. So you have these smaller inside cuts like on the letter E or the letter D or the letter O, or numbers like 0, 6, 9, 4, depending on the type of 4, but so you have all these areas where a center cut would fall out. So we're going to show you a quick way on how you can utilize a feature built within the Arc Pro software it's called bridging, but really you're stenciling those letters. So we're going to run through that quick, and we're going to keep this video short once again. So we're going to go up here to the rectangle, and we're going to just go ahead and draw a rectangle out. And we'll click the check. And now we're going to bring in the text. Let's see. And we'll do this, stencil test. There we go. Make it a little bit small. Well, we'll do this. Alright, we'll drop that right on there. Drag this out there. There we go. So basically what we're going to do here is we're going to bridge where the E is here and the E is there. So first we need to convert this font to a vector. If you don't catch all these steps, go ahead and watch the explode feature video. So I'm going to select this font so it highlights red, and then I'm going to click the X on the keyboard, that's for explode, and I'm going to click the check down here, and now it's going to convert that into a vector file. So I'm going to zoom in, and now we have this E here and the E there. We're going to use the bridging tool. You could draw, if you would like to, a line through these, and you can trim away features like this. And then now you zoom in and you click T on the keyboard, and you can trim these away like so. And you can go over here. And trim like this. So that's the long way to do that. Built within the software. As I mentioned before, you have the bridging tool right up here. You select this, and you choose the size of your bridge, and you just click up top, and you can drag it through. So looks like we might want something like that. And we click the check, and there it is. It does the same thing that we did over here. Took us a fraction of the time. So that's just a quick example on how you can utilize that tool. You can also use it if you wanted to on artwork, but that is really its primary use or designed use is going to be for font. So you can quickly snap through. You don't have to click the check every time. If we had to do both of these E's or other letters, we could just click, drag, drop, click, drag, drop, click, drag, drop, and notice it's automatically going to segment through all of these. So just when you're going through this, just keep that in mind. This is going to be a very fast way to stencil text. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have video requests, feel free to go to Squickmons.com. You can drop your request in there under the Contact Us segment. Also, we have an email, just support@Squickmons. You can drop requests there. We cover all different types of videos on different softwares, so feel free to drop those in, and we are excited to see what you guys do with your new CNC plasma systems. Thank you so much for watching.